Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Civil Engineering channel. My name is Fasbir. Today we are starting the first lecture of our course. So our first lecture is about basic concept of Autocad Civil 3D. So in this lecture the topic that will be discussed today is welcome screen and user interface, then application menu, quick access toolbar, ribbon bar, menu bar and title bar, search bar or info center, and UCS, user coordinate system, word coordinate system, command window and status bar, and last drawing setting and unit setting. Today inshallah we will discuss all these basic tools. The person who are little bit familiar with AutoCAD, they maybe know these tools, but the person who are new in this field, they must be able to know all these tools because this is the base of AutoCAD. If they have grip on these tools, the next project will be very easy for them. So because we are going step by step, so you can also see the print here preview of our drawings that I mentioned all these tools will detail. So I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. So before starting this lecture, I request all my students, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. So let's start. So this is the screen of our computer. So first of all I want to discuss these two icon. So basically here we will use the Civil 3D 2016. So you can also see here two icon, Civil 3D 2016 metric and Civil 3D 2016 imperial. If any person want to work in meter, he can use this one. If any person want to work in feet, he can use imperial. Basically this tool can be used in foreign country, and if any person want to work in US country, so US normally use this option. Okay, so here we will use Civil 3D 2016 metric. Okay, so first of all we click here and right click and run as administrator, and okay, so our software is starting. So you can see our welcome screen. So if you are to open AutoCAD first time, maybe it take 1 or 2 minutes because all its new setting will be show. So this is also depend on your computer. If your computer configuration is better, then your computer speed, your software also will be better. But if your computer speed or the configuration is low, then you can see that this software is a little bit heavy. So that's why you must need to update your computer. So you can see our screen, because when you first time open the software there may be some other option welcome screen. So here this is our working area. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you something about its a basic tool. Okay, so you can see this side, this basically C3D corner icon, this basically is called application menu. So if you want to click here, so you can see there's some specific option new. If any person want to make new drawings, click here, then you can also open here, then open, then save as, export. If you want to export this file in specific format, you can use this one, publish, print, and suit workflow, drawing setting, and close. Okay, this is the basic option. Inshallah we cover all these basic options. After that we will also make our drawing setting. So first of all I want to just tell you its basic tools. So this is the basic tool of application menu. Okay, so you can see the right side of this one, this portion basically is called a quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar, that type of tool which we can access quickly. Okay, so we just keep our cursor here, you can see new. If any person want to make new drawing, you just click here, automatically quick, then a new drawing will be open. If you want to open previous drawing, just click here, open, after that save and print plot. Okay, undo and redo option you can also access from here. So there are also some specific short keys. If you want to make file new drawings, so control N, you can also click, then same option will be apply. And if you want to open any file, so control O. If you want to save, control S. If you want to print, control P. If you want to undo, redo, control Z and control Y. These are all options you can control from this toolbar. And also if you want to use key, so I also tell you about this one. Okay, this is basically called quick access toolbar. Okay, If you want to change its workspace, okay, you can see here. This is basically we are working in Civil 3D, so we select here. If you want to work in AutoCAD simple for some specific 2D drawings, 3D drawings, you can also apply from here. So see here, we just click here on its basic option that will be normally show here. Ribbon portion, you can also see all type of option is changed according to its software. Next, if we want to work in 3D modeling, then all type of 3D option will be open. So here basically we want to work in Civil 3D, so you can also see here all option is opening related to 3D modeling. You can also see box, every type of option that will be related to 3D. So we just want to make Civil 3D, okay. So you can see all type of 3D option, Civil 3D option will be open. So this basically is also, you can see this also quick access toolbar portion, and here you can also see on the right side, this portion is basically called title bar, okay. Title bar Autodesk Civil 3D 2016. Basically here the drawing name mention, the drawing the software version mention, okay. Autocad Civil 3D 2016. And on the right side you can also see this is the drawing name, okay. This portion basically is called title bar, okay. Title bar, here the name of drawings and the name of software is mentioned, okay. If you see this portion, this basically is called search bar or input center, okay. So if any person want to work in want to search anything related to software, he can click here, and if you have online, then you can access this portion. This portion basically is called search bar, okay. This also related to search bar. Now we discuss some other tool. This portion basically is called word coordinate system. Word coordinate system, because and we also use this option for change some drawing views like front, side. You can also see here, if we just click here, then its front view came. If you click here, top view, you can access right side, left, every type of view from here. You can also see, you can also call his view changer, okay. View changer, this is called word coordinate system, okay. So if you see this portion basically is called UCS, user coordinate system, okay. UCS, every type of drawing and any point coordinate is starting from this portion. If you want to check this, basically this joining portion X and Y, this portion is called origin point, okay. All type of coordinate value will be here 0, 0, okay. 0, 0, every type of coordinate will be start from here. So if we click just here, then the coordinate that will become here, this portion, this is calculated from this portion, okay. From this here to here, here to here, okay. This portion basically is called UCS. Inshallah, when we start a proper course, then this option will be used mostly. Downside of this UCS icon, this portion, this basically is called command window. If you type any command automatic came here. Suppose I just want to click here L enter, so you can see this L enter will become here. This is basically command bar, every type of command came here, okay. This is command window, okay. So you can also see here this portion, basically this portion is called status bar. Status bar mean, if you see on keyboard F3 to F12, all these key F3, F4, F5, these all key control you can see here. This status bar, the main purpose of this status bar is to give speed to in our drawings. You can also see grid mode, okay. If you click here, grid mode on. If you also click on F7, same function will apply, because you can also control these tools with the help of keyboard, okay. So all these tools you can also control from. The main purpose of this key is to give speed in our drawings, okay. You can also see here scale, the drawing scale. Inshallah, this drawing scale when we start drawings will be used mostly, the different scale. And if you see this portion, same portion here and same portion here, okay. If you want to change workspace, you can also change from here, okay. So this is the basic setting. And if you also see the cross here, this cursor portion, this cross here, you can also see the setting. If we just click OP option, you can also change its setting, like crosshair. See this one, we just click display and see crosshair size. If we want just to increase here, like apply, then okay. So you can see that the crosshair size will be increased. OP enter again, and if we just keep 5, then the crosshair size will be normal. This setting shall when we work proper, then its advantage disadvantage we will discuss. This is depend on every person. If some person want to work with the small crosshair, and some person want to work in big crosshair. Okay, so this is depend on you. So this is the basic tools of our drawings. So first of all, I want to tell you another things about drawing setting. So inshallah in this lecture I want to cover drawing setting and unit setting. Okay, so we will go application menu and drawing utility. Okay, drawing utility, click here, and you can also see here from the top second drawing setting. Okay, click drawing setting. After that this tool will be open, drawing setting, drawing number 1. Okay, drawing setting, this window. You can see here unit and zone. Okay, first of all drawing unit, meters. If any person want to work in a European country or foreign country, meter system use here. If any person want to work in a US, so he can select feet. Okay, here we will use meter. Next will be imperial to metric conversion. Okay, this also depend on the countries. If any person are working in a European country or foreign country, he can use this one. US country use the person, he can use US survey. Okay, we'll use here international feet. Next scale depend on you. Normally we keep here 1000. We can also change it from here. Okay, this is depend when we start proper drawing. Angular unit, next we select here their radian. After that grades and degrees. These all type of option is a difference, because sometimes in starting this type of tool use, after the grades come, after that we now use degrees. Okay, we prefer degree. Okay, click here. The next option is very important, categories. No detail, no projection. Here we will select the country where we are working. So now I am working in Saudi Arabia. I just click here because I have Saudi Arabia data. Okay, so you can also see available coordinate system of this country is open here. So normally Saudi Arabia divided in 4 zone: Bahrain UTM zone 37, 38, and automatic generated LLC system for WKT use. Okay, so we have the data of this portion. This also, if you are working in field, and you can also see the drawing also this type of data is mentioned. If any person is working in a European country, you can also see the drawing. If any person work in Pakistan or India, you can also see the zone. Okay, and here everything is okay, then apply. After that, okay, now our basic setting of drawing is finished. Okay, so next we will also set its units. You can also access from here unit, and if you select just UN, enter, so unit also came here. See here decimal. Okay, right, precision T. Okay, after the types degree, minute, second, decimal, we select here decimal. Okay, after that meter. Okay, right. Next lighting. Okay, generic, international, American. We select here international because international is better, because we already use international feet. Okay, international scale. Okay, so select we here international, keep here meter, decimal, and here you can also use 3. Okay, international, and okay. So this our basic setting of drawing is finished. So this is the basic tool I covered in this lecture. I just want to repeat one and again. This is called application menu. This portion is called quick access toolbar. Okay, this portion is called title bar. This portion, this is remaining. Okay, sorry, this portion is remaining. This portion is called ribbon bar. Okay, ribbon bar. If you select any option from here, any happen from here, automatically all type of ribbon portion is also changed. So this all tool is portion of ribbon bar. Okay, ribbon bar, title bar, and info center, and this portion is called word coordinate system. Okay, this portion is called UCS, this portion is called command window, and this portion is called status bar. And so this is the basic setting. I hope you enjoyed this lecture series. If you have any questions, so please comment in the comments box. Inshallah, I try my best to give you some suitable answer. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.